let's just unpack on News Galore for days. Alright, guys, you remember, right? I posted Anele Mdoda's traditional wedding to her prince. Manga, guys, beautiful wedding, hey? It's still on the socials, that wedding, it's everywhere. But now people are like, okay, where's your sister, bruh? Your only sister, like, what's going on? We want to learn. Uphi uThembisa sisi? I know it turns out hayi banenkinga eningi ayakuzwaniwa kuyaxaxa mkhasi ngise ngaye emshadweni kasisi wami. Hayi mina bengizofoster guys ngiye noma ngabe ke bengizohlala ekhoneni ngithuleke. I was gonna go. She never went to sisters. Kuthiwa iproblem yaqala phi when the dad was getting married and then uAnele was for that. Ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha omunye umfazi. And then lo mncane uThembisa was like, "Hayibo, no. HELL, no. Why would he do that?" So since then, things haven't been fine between them. They like seriously. They like serious into like they not getting along, guys, at all. Ngapha uyamkhumbula ubhuti King Mrs Zulu. KaZwelithini Zulu. uSmakati. I need to remember they have a battle that has been going on with them. Belelwa kingship. Brothers manje is asking for money and donations from us ukuthi ubesacela simxhase so that he can go to court again. Basalela leyo ndaba, guys. Like how Mrs Zulu KaZulu, guys, was saying last month ukuthi kingship, guys, you don't choose. You don't wake up and be like, okay, mina ke phakamise isandla, can I come now and be a king? No, it doesn't work like that. You are chosen, guys. Lezi zinto. You don't just wake up and be like a king or a queen for that matter. I mean, you know, it's the same as what you see in Bolobedu. How they are fighting there for kingship. It's supposed to be the queen, reign queen, guys. That's how it started. But when ufuna ukuthi ube a king, like how, guys? We don't know that. Especially with Bolobedu, we don't know that. We just know the queen. USmakati is just like on it again. I'm just like, why? Just leave it and move on with the life, you know? Hi. Mese kuzoba this YouTuber uAnelisiwe noLuluthando, a husband, they're getting a divorce. I'm just like, guys, what's going on? This wedding was the most beautiful wedding I've ever seen, actually, of a YouTuber for that matter, last year. I was just like, and I just came across it on YouTube. I was like, what? What a beautiful wedding. Imagine uAnelisiwe wrote ukuthi, I know, we came to an agreement, you know, we're not fighting, actually, it's over, you know. I was just like, what? Wow. Chidimma Nkosazana also went to Thailand. I'm just like, okay, so if you are in Thailand, you're gonna come back here in South Africa. Like Chidimma noma wake. Where should they be? It's really confusing. So she went to Thailand, the top 5 Miss Universe. They went to Thailand. It looks alright. It looks nice. Looks like she enjoyed herself. I was just like, it's ngimfake naye, guys. Nimbona ukuthi naye ube Thailand ngosami mntana abantu. Kunini bemdonsa, dragging her to filth. Yeah. In the socials. It's crazy. Guys, you know, if you're on TV and uhlukumezana nezingane or abantu besifazane, they're gonna cancel you. You know how it is, angithi. So ulo bamkhanselile, ngathi bafuna ukuyikhansela actually the whole show. Usiyacela. So isencane lengane, they're looking at it ukuthi bayikhansele. Umoja Love kanye neBCC SA bazokhansela izinto abantu because they doing other things on TV. Crazy stuff. And there was a rumor yokuthi uSiyacela was actually arrested after that incident yokulwa and ehlukumeza umuntu wesifazane and stuff like that. That is why ngithi a rumor allegedly because akakhonfirmwa kahle. Bayacabangela nje ukuthi okay, was he arrested? Is he arrested? Kubolonda. But Moja Love did give a statement ukuthi bona no, it's actually not the first time bexabana uThando no brothers lo ufuna ukumshaya. So into eyenzakalayo is they actually did speak to them before, but wasethi uThando no, akafuni yena ukubiza amaphoyisa and all of that. So as Moja Love, they didn't wanna ngenelela kakhulu, you know, but they did speak to them, bona they not for ukulwa or amadoda ahlupha abantu besifazane, stuff like that. They're not into that, bona, you know. But with the recent incident, it's not looking good. It might be cancelled for real, the show. Like I always say, guys, go to these shows, they must teach our children, especially in Gazbona, as an adult, there's nothing that I'm learning there. But what are our children learning from those things? Because this show actually is the most watched show. It's in Lingani. So siyacela mangale bezuhlukumezana noThando, uyabona ukuthi it's not looking good, you know. Cabanga usiyacela eshaya uThando ngemvubu. Guys, azini lento la ayikho right. I'm not happy with it at all. So ngizoke ngibe lapho kancane guys ngalezi indaba zase South Africa that going on, zama celebrities and everything that's going on in South Africa. And I also appreciate you guys so much for supporting me. Nginthanda over. Thank you.